Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a chemistry test. First, begin by thoroughly reviewing all your lecture notes and assigned textbook chapters. Focus on understanding the core concepts, definitions, and fundamental chemical principles. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Creating flashcards for key terms, formulas, and reactions can significantly boost your recall. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid understanding before moving on to practice. Next, it's time to dive into problem solving, which is absolutely essential for chemistry. Work through every assigned homework problem and seek out extra practice questions from your textbook or online resources. Don't just aim for the correct answer. Truly understand the step-by-step process and the underlying chemical principles. Discussing challenging problems with a study group can offer new perspectives and solidify your comprehension. Aim for at least 2 hours of dedicated practice daily. Now, let's talk about active recall and review. Don't wait until the last minute. Regularly test yourself using practice exams or by creating your own quizzes. A powerful technique is to explain complex concepts aloud, as if you're teaching a friend. This immediately highlights any areas where your understanding might be weak. Always review your incorrect answers carefully to learn from your mistakes and strengthen your grasp of the material. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to this daily. Finally, let's prepare for test day success. Ensure you get a full 8 hours of sleep the night before your exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. Eat a balanced meal to maintain energy levels and arrive at the testing location at least 15 minutes early to settle in without rush. During the test, read all instructions thoroughly and manage your time wisely, perhaps allocating 1 minute per point for a 60-point exam. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.